Welcome back to my video. Today we're fitting a carpet in a bedroom with the usual dreaded problems of moving furniture. We also have alarm wires running around the room, so you do have to be careful when cutting up the carpet. Anyway, without further ado, let's get on with the video. We're now cutting up the carpet. I tend to like to cut the carpet into strips. I find it easier to dispose of it. It's also easier for carrying it out of the room, especially if you're working on the second or third floor with no lift. We're now down to the underlay, and as you can see, the underlay is very worn. When I turn it over, you can see the back is worn out, so we will be changing the underlay. We will keep the existing grippers because I've checked those and they are quite good. I should give you a look at the alarm wires now. They run all the way around the room, or down one side of the room, and then round, basically around the room. We also like to bag up the rubbish as we're going along. It does make it easier at the end of the job. You can see I put the underlay down now, and I put it up to the alarm wires. As we work our way around the bed. Now the alarm wires run all the way up to the wardrobe. So because we're not moving the wardrobe, I put grippers around the wardrobe, so we should be able to stretch the carpet onto the grippers. All the underlay is done now. We are just getting ready to bring the carpet in. As you can see where I've cut the underlay away from the alarm wire. Now we have the carpet in now, we're about to start fitting the carpet. And I've made a V cut in the corner so that the carpet sits right into the corner. I should take my hook knife and cut just above the alarm wire. We also have a gap underneath the skirting, so I should be pushing the carpet under the skirting so we can fill the gaps so it looks neat when we're finished. Here we go with the plastic tucker. We bang the carpet underneath the skirting boards. As you can tell, my favorite tool is the hook knife. I do most things with the hook knife, whether it be cutting carpet, vinyl, or even carpet tiles. I also prefer the plastic tucker, or as its proper name is safety tucker, rather than the metal bolster. I'm about to stretch onto the carpet, stretch the carpet on to the grippers by the wardrobe. Now this wire was being a right pain in the posterior. You see, I was just checking there to make sure where the wire was before I start cutting the carpet. A little touch of spray adhesive just to help the carpet stay put in the corner there. Notice I only sprayed the old gripper and not the new gripper, which is in front of the wardrobe. Quick stretch on. And this wire, never did get rid of the wire. I had to find a way to work around it. Now we grab our knee kicker and head towards the door. And you see that little puffiness around by the corner of the wardrobe? Do a little relief cut. And then we should stretch it straight into the doorway and it should come out. cutting off the excess so that we can actually see what we're doing. Just putting the carpet into the door bar. There you go, all done. How you fit a carpet in a room with furniture. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.